Alright, welcome to the video today, guys. Today we bought our first stock. We started out the day today with 2 orders. We were going to buy 2 stocks. Like I said in the previous video, the first stock I wanted to buy was Unilever. And then the second stock we were going to buy is Sunoco. So we were going to buy both of those stocks today. We placed our orders bright and early in the morning because on Webull you can place your orders before the market's open at 9:30. And then it'll just track it all day, and once it gets to that price, it'll fire off the order and it'll purchase the stock. You can do the same thing with selling the stock, which is pretty cool. So like if it gets to a point where you're like, okay, I want to sell my stock, I want it to sell at whatever the dollar amount is, you don't have to sit there and watch it all day. You can just place your order, and then when it gets to that price point, it'll sell it for you. But we set our price limit on Unilever to the same thing that was in our paper trading account, which was $57.25. That amount seemed to be like a good price range for this fluctuation of the stock. I don't know, it just seemed like a good price point to get in there. So we got in that. So after 1 full year of investing, basically our dividend's going to be about $2.27, which doesn't sound like a lot, but remember, our goal is for when we're old, we can afford stuff to buy with our dividends. So basically, my plan was to be able to afford shampoo, after 1 bottle of shampoo after investing for a year, and I could, but funny thing is Shelly came home with some stuff from the dollar store, and she already spent my dividend amount for this year. So we'll have to start the following year to get our shampoo for when we're older. I did only buy 1 share of stock. I kind of thought about buying 2, but I figured I'd just dip my toes in. I kind of want to get a few stocks bought, and then I don't have a whole lot of money. I'm going to have, I only have like $200 at the moment to invest, so I kind of wanted to make sure I pick ones that are kind of cheap, what I feel like is a good value, and then also ones that are going to pay a decent amount of a dividend, so that after 1 year I can buy 1 share of stock. My goal at the moment is all the dividends I make this year, I want to be able to buy a stock with it, so that I can show myself that basically we're getting free stocks which are going to make more dividends, to where basically it's my money making money. So I feel pretty happy about today. Oh, one thing that happened is you can set that price limit. Remember I told you about the price limit. The Sunoco one never came down to the limit that I wanted to buy, which I should have just bought it at the market value so that I could have got in, so I could have bought the stock, but it was real close to being $1 cheaper than I bought it in the paper trading section, so I set the price point for that, and it never went down that low. So that order got canceled. We'll try it again tomorrow. This is Oreo, the shop cat. I feel like the first day went good, and I'm pretty excited about continuing on. I know we're not going to make a lot of money this year, and it's not so much about making money right now, it's about making money down the road. And it's also about not letting your money sit in the bank and not make any money. So we're going to test it out a little bit this year. I'll make some more videos about the whole plan and my buying strategy as a newbie. I mean, I have no clue. Well, I have a little bit of a clue, but I don't have a lot of experience actually trading individual stocks. But it is very neat to think that you can do this from your home. You don't need to have a single person tell you what to do. You can kind of figure it out all on your own. It's just pretty neat that that anybody can do it, and I think it's very important that the younger kids start doing this as soon as they can. Like, my goal for the children is to basically as soon as they can, we're going to start them an investing account, whether that's a Roth IRA. That's what I would like to start for the kids. So as soon as they get a real job that pays them money, that is a taxable income, that we're going to start contributing all the money that they make basically into their Roth account. That's one goal I have for the kids. So like if Jacob gets a job next year and makes $3,000, I'm going to, hopefully he'll save some of his money, but I want to be able to put $3,000 into his Roth account just to help him out. Because I seen a thing a while back that if you put $1,000 in when you're 18, that would eventually basically turn into $16,000. So technically I'd be setting the kid up for, what is that, 3,000 times 16, 48,000 bucks. So that would be pretty cool. But hope you enjoyed the video. If you got some stocks in mind that you're buying this year, or have any good ideas for me, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.